Hello, good day everyone. Welcome back. We will continue our third tutorial on Excel. So we were on the table. So we had discussed the rest of the tabs. So we were here in the tour. Welcome to Excel. So basically what I will do, I will use this recent. I will open the Excel last time we used. So once I open, last time we filtered, we used the filter, and then we will use the table. So in filter we have some more details down. If you come down, you will find it here. So sort by date or by color also possible. First thing, I will do it by the I can sort it by the date, oldest to newest date. So what I will do, I'll click here, I'll select oldest to newest. So the oldest date and the newest date, it will be sorted like this. Also I can do it newest to oldest. So I'll click this one. So it will also sort by dates. Similarly, we have the color. We can sort by color as well. I'll click here on the hotel. So here I have sort by color or filter by color. I can do both of them. So sort by color, if I click it, see the one colored yellow will be first, and then the ones without color. So I can do it this way as well. I can select no fill. So first I will have the white ones and then the yellow ones. Also I can filter by color. If I want only the yellow ones, I'll click, I'll have the yellow ones. And then if I want to clear the filter, I'll just click here, clear the filter. I can filter with the no fill, the one with no color, I will have the no colors as well. So this is how we can filter by color and the dates as well. Down we have more ways of filtering. So we can filter by above average numbers. So here I will click on the hotel, and the number filter I have above average. So it will sort by above average, and then I can remove, I can select the below average as well, those values which are below the average numbers. So basically what it will do, it will first check the average of this number and then find those numbers that are above the average and those numbers which are below the average. So this is the second way, and more ways of filtering the data. Next we have the table. So I will go directly to the table. We worked on it yesterday a little bit. Also we can work on it. I'll click here. I have the menu, the insert menu, and then I have table. Because I have already created a table, so it will not work. We worked on it yesterday. I'll come down to the table. Here I have another way of doing the calculations. In total, if I want to calculate, one way, easy way, is Alt equal to. So I will click Alt equal to and enter. So I will have all the numbers calculated. It will count and sum the December, October, November and October values all together with one click. This is the next way here in the calculations. So total on the row tables. If I want to add this, so I have here, I will click on one of the rows here. I want to have the total here. One way is here that you will have a design menu. In the design menu you will have total row. If I just click this, I will get the total down here. I'll have the total for this. If I remove this, I will remove it and it will be removed. So this is also possible. Again I will click and I'll get the total rows. So also on this table I would like to apply the average, above average. I will just click, I will get the above average. I can do it, and it can be removed to clear this. Also I can get an average of this here. below the average and above the average. I can do it here as well. So this is from the table. We'll go directly to the next step, which is drop down. In the drop down, we can create a list of drop downs. So here the details are given. Drop down list makes data entry easier to help people to do one. Here is how to do one. We want only 3 department names to be valid in the entries of each food on the right. Those are the produce, meat and bakery. So to do this, click and drag to the selected yellow under the department. So I will click here. Okay, so to do this, I will select this, okay, and then go to the data menu, and here we have data validation. I'll click this, allow any value. Now any value can be entered. No, I want a list, so I can make a list here, and then I will add the those there. So I will what I'll do, I will add here produce, comma, meat, comma, bakery. These will be the allowed values here. So what I will do, I will click OK. So here I will have a drop down list. I can select produce, I can select meat, I can select bakery, I can select anything I want. So this is also one of the things that can be done under the drop down list. No worries, the data validation, it's a topic, we will discuss it fully in the next lessons, and how it's applied. We can have a list, we can select, we can put dates validation, we can put whole numbers, we can put decimals. These will be discussed through a separate discussion. The input message and also the error alert, if I'm giving anything wrong, so what will be the error alert. So this is a part of the agenda. In the future we can discuss this in the details. Okay, also we can do the drop downs here. So what we will do, in the F column, click a cell with a department, for example meat. So what I can do, I can click here, and then to create a table by pressing T. So if I click here, I can create a table by Control T and OK. It will be a table. So what we need to do now to set up a validation here. So what we will do, I will select this, I'll go to data, I'll do validation, I'll select list, and here I can select the list from here. Now I will OK. After this, I can select here anything I want from this list, and I cannot select anything else. Let me put something else and enter. It will give me error. Means this data is validated before you enter. So data validation can also help in producing good list. It will be helpful always. Next is the analyze and the chart, which we will discuss it in next videos. Because of the time limitation, I'm just going to stop here. We will have the pivots, the analyze, the chart, and the pivot tables and next lesson. Thank you so much for being with us, and I will be available, and I will try to put the video for the rest of the 3 as soon as possible. Thank you so much.